girl NeyahNecole, and I am back with another video. Ooh, that is not cute. Anyways, I'm coming to you to show you how I got this cute little girly natural beat. You feel me? Nice and golden bronze. I feel like my hair being blonde, it makes me a little more bronze, golden, cute. You feel me? Like all that little extra little shit. You feel me? So yeah. So stay tuned if you want to see this. If you end up liking this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and comment below your favorite part of this video or any other looks that you want to see me do. Okay, baby boo. Period. All right, guys. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I'm using my ColourPop primer, and I'm just priming my face. Then I'm going in with my foundation. This foundation I'm using here is Hourglass, and then I spray my face before I blend, and then blend. This helps your foundation melt so much more and better, y'all. Like, it makes for a flawless foundation once you spray it and then blend it out. Oh, you're welcome. Take the tip from me. All right, now I am going to conceal under my eyes using my LA Girl. This is pretty normal for me. You already know what's up when it comes to me and this concealer. Okay. Oh my god, I hate my background the way it looks right now. It's okay. My other videos will be the way they need to be. Okay. All right, now you're going to blend that concealer out. I use a brush to start, and then I go in with a beauty blender. When I tell you guys, I changed this step up so much, it doesn't even matter. Like, just make sure your concealer is blended out. I prefer starting with the brush and then blending with the beauty blender, but I don't do it every single time. Now I'm gonna set my under eyes with my Huda Beauty. And with this step, you can see that I am like packing it in, that I'm not necessarily baking. Like, I'm pushing the product in to fully set, and then I'll go back later and bake if need be. Okay, so I'm going to prime my lids with my normal regular LA Girl concealer. I'm going in with the Jackie Aina Palette today. Yes. And I'm using that pink color, and I'm literally just packing it in my crease. And I'm really only using like 2 colors with this look, so I just really build this color for the most part. Really blend out that eye. I think I took a little brown or a little the darker pink and just blended that out some more, because you want to make it seamless and as blended as possible. And I was kind of going for that cat look on this particular look, so that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm packing on that gold, but it's more of the green gold in the palette, not her normal popping gold. It has the green reflectives in it, and I'm just packing that on my lid. Gonna contour your face a little bit, you know, and then go ahead and spray it, and then take your beauty blender and push it all in to make sure that your makeup is set. So y'all know my little trick where I get in the shower to set my makeup. So I just got out. I've been doing that. Usually when I first start doing that, my full face will be done, but I mean, it really doesn't make a difference. But I've lately been doing it where I'll get in before I put like my mascara, my lashes, and eyeliner and stuff on. So yeah, so I just got the shower. I'm getting ready to put the lashes on. This is Baddie B in the style Extra. And yeah, let's continue with the tutorial. Going in with my Baddie B lashes, putting those beauties on. Lining my lip with the ColourPop liner from the Makeup Shayla collection. going in with a MAC pink gloss, but I'm also going to go in with the Beauty Supply clear gloss just to make your gloss a little more popping. Alright guys, so this is the final makeup look. You know you